Welcome to Short Courses. Today let's see best 15 motivational quotes of Anand Mahindra, which will inspire from within. You have to treat every day as a new challenge, and you have to remain paranoid, as they say. When you set the right targets, aspirations, and you work efficiently and diligently, the numbers happen. Whether in services or in manufacturing, the trick is to stay ahead of the curve. I believe we should not wait to be disrupted, we should become disruptors ourselves. Leaders don't look behind or to the side. Instead, they look ahead. Humility is non-negotiable. If you aren't humble, whatever empathy you claim is false and probably results from some arrogance or the desire to control. But true empathy is rooted in humility and the understanding that there are many people with as much to contribute in life as you. It is imperative for us to protect the flora and fauna around us. The best way to propel the economy may be to encourage different parts of the country to go their own way. There is a growing interest in team ownership and promoting sports beyond cricket in India. I always felt it is important to encourage other sports, especially those that bring communities together and promote active lifestyles to Indian youth. Life has an interesting way of teaching even the most powerful people that joy from wealth is fleeting at best. You go into the battle with your strength. Anyone who makes time frames beyond tomorrow probably isn't pushing himself hard enough. Sometimes the only kind of innovation comes when you have some solitude, when you step away. In a large bureaucracy, you cannot exercise the transformation of any situation without co-opting bureaucracy. We see ourselves as being people who want to take India to the world. We see ourselves as being aggressive, assuming risk. Benchmarking is an ongoing exercise in any company that aspires for leadership. The more you drive positive change, the more enhanced your business model. Hope you liked these Padma Bhushan awardee, Chairperson of Mahindra and Mahindra, Mr. Anand Mahindra inspirational quotes. Thank you. Have a great day.